In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a refund from Sam's Club. If you need to return something and get your money back, the process is usually straightforward as long as you prepare a few things ahead of time. The first thing you should do is go to Sam's Club and review the return policy. This is important because most items can be returned, but some product categories like electronics, major appliances, and certain specialty items may have specific return windows or extra conditions. Taking a moment to check the policy first can save you time and help you understand what to expect before you begin. Next, gather the item you want to return. If you still have the original packaging and any accessories that came with it, keep those with the item, since that can make the return process smoother. It's also helpful to have your receipt or order confirmation ready. In many cases, it may not be required if the purchase is already linked to your membership, but having proof of purchase can still make everything easier and faster. Once you're ready, choose the return method that works best for you. If you want to return the item in person, take it to the member services desk at any Sam's Club location. Bring your membership card along with the item. A team member there will review the return and process it for you. This is often the fastest option, especially if you want immediate confirmation that the return has been accepted. If the item was purchased online, sign in to your Sam's Club account and go to your order history. From there, select the order that includes the item you want to return, then follow the on-screen instructions to start the return. If the item qualifies, you may be able to print a return shipping label, or you might be given instructions for bringing the item back to a club instead. Be sure to read each instruction carefully so you choose the correct return path. After the return is approved, your refund is generally sent back to your original payment method. If you paid with cash, the refund method may vary depending on club policy. Keep in mind that refund timing can depend on the type of payment used and your bank or card provider, so it may not appear instantly. Finally, check your refund status by monitoring your bank account or credit card statement. If the refund doesn't show up within the expected time frame, contact Sam's Club Member Services for help. And that's how to take a refund from Sam's Club.